$21.99 here in Costco, you guys. We have the deer, the green one, snowflake, holiday knit throw. Next to me is 14. We've seen these before. These are really, really nice. I believe there is a blue one. Ooh. Oh, you know what? It might be a different one. I didn't know this was checkered. They're teddy, you know, fake, obviously. I don't like the feel of it. I feel like this is the type, again, you're going to collect dust, hair, except for the inside. The outside is very linty. But these are really, really nice. Okay, so we have $10.99 chocolate hazelnut here. A little vegan sandwich. The wafers. $10.99. And you get 24. Right next to me, the Milano, which is also good for the holiday season because you could dip half of it and then put like peppermint bark on it. $11.69. Okay, I want to try to go through more clothing though. $15.99. Now this one does end on the 16th. You do get the vest and the shirt and leggings. So an entire set here. I love this green color. $15 right here. This is the jacket for children. A Roxy. Oh, this is Quicksilver. Pink. And over there is Roxy. And they also have plaid. $15. 15. Kid 4-piece set. We have the Heart by Koala Kids. Looks like a dress and maybe leggings. Oh, you do. You get like that jean one. Regular. I want to say maybe a bunny. Yeah. And here's the little boy department. A bear telling time. What time is it, Mr. Bear? You got the bear on the hoodie, which is adorable too. Sweatshirt. Okay. Okay, Champion over here. So it looks like the hoodie, the jogger is 10. Okay, so here's the jogger. These are 10. They come in blue. You do get a little pocket as well. And here is your hoodie. I thought it was a sweatshirt, but it's a hoodie. I love the blue color. Comes in pink and the beige with pink writing. And 15 over here. Baby plush set. The weather is changing, you guys. It's 98 degrees, but there's no cloud in the sky, so it is hot. Look at this guy right here. He is stinking cute. How adorable for 15. And here is one with, they're maybe on a safari, I don't know, or he's driving. By 32 degree, your limit is 10, and it's on the 15th. 15th. Beige, maroon, blue, and black. Next to me, the flannel, $12.99. $12.99, perfect for a pumpkin patch. Well, it looks like pumpkin patch wear. I don't know. I mean, I feel like you could wear whatever you want, but you know, people like to coordinate. And the ladies' shirt jacket is $20. Does it come with a pocket? They do not, but the men's come with the pocket. See, this is why I go to the men's department. They're just made differently, and I do feel like the quality is better. I noticed that, and I find it so strange that the women's clothing is made somewhat poorly, you know. Ladies, Puma fleece crew, just a sweatshirt. We got the lavender, beige or off-white, black as well. The pant, straight leg, they're $19. Let me show you the tags. Oh, somebody did question why I share the tags. It's because I always get asked, show the price and the number. I'm like, okay. So there's the reason, and you know you can look it up online too. Okay, 20. The fleece hoodie for men. See, I like the hoodie better than the sweatshirt. And it feels different. That's why I get mad. It's why they do us like that. Why they do us like that. We pay good money. $11.99. This is the plush one. Again, we've seen this before. It does come with the pocket. ends on the 17th. Green, black, and blue. $15 on the men's puffer jacket, and it is fleeced line. You do have a pocket on the inside, so you can hide your phone, money, whatever. And it also comes in black. $35. Go Wildcats, you know, or Forks Up, whatever. They're actually doing pretty good right now. $35. $15 here for the Fila, and then Nautica is $17. Okay, and we have the Fila here. It comes with the hoodie. Nautica is the quarter zip one. We've seen it red and beige. And the men full zip jacket is $21.99. And next to me is $29.99 for the Bomber by Banana Republic. So here is the full zip. Comes in gray. Banana Republic, they bring this one out every year. And I want to say a Calvin Klein one will come out. Kind of like a camo black one. Navy. And we have your black. And the men's flannel shirt, $15.99 by Chaps. Do we get a pocket? No. Actually, let me look again. No pocket. Okay, I was right. Got this brown one. Kind of give me scarecrow vibes. I don't know. And this one over here. And there's also a green one, you guys. Okay. $15.99. Come get it in the Costco. Okay, short sleeve, 10. Ends on the 20th. Okay, that's gonna be this one right here, the $10 one. Button up, it is short sleeve, navy, gray, green, and this one's $11.99. Ends on the 17th. All right, moving on. Big shoulders, pork back, $12.99. So that's this one right here. Baby back pork ribs. Ugh, I'm not a fan of the ribs. They're $12.99. Wow, they're $12.99. Oh, price per pound. Are you sure? Because I don't see a price on them. It says price per pound.
$4.33.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't see that. Sorry. So $12.99. And I'm not too sure how much this is, but I know we've seen it. The beef brisket. It is here. There's no price on it. We have the dill pickles. Everyone's favorite at home. They're $5.99. Ooh, really good price right now. $6.39. Ends on the 22nd. This is the bougie. I call it the bougie Lunchable, and you get 4. Awesome deal. Winco are going to be the cheapest though if you're looking. You only get single though. They're like, I think they're 2 something. Kroger is 4 something. So yeah.
It's $1.59 on the piece.
So this is cheaper. And next to me with a protein bar for $20. What do they have over here? $11.99. Oh, the salami and provolone. They're moving things around. Olives. Jumbo. $15.99. Prosciutto, or how do we say that?
Prosciutto.
So how we say it? Holy guacamole is a 10. Ends on the 22nd. Bam. Turmeric is $29.99. Ends on the 22nd. The tablets are $11.50. Ends on the 22nd as well. Okay, kind of like Sam's Club right now. These are $11.49. There is a sale going on right there. Dove $16.89 on sale in Sam's Club. Soap is $18.49. Is that for sensitive? $15 right now in Sam's Club. And $17.99. What do we have today? Gingerbread, Snowdrop, Peppermint, and Iowa Pine. $18. Over, you guys, that is gonna do it for Costco. Next to me we have Olay Advance, $24.99. Ends on the 22nd. Oh, there's a big line. Big line today. $11.99. Ends on the 22nd. Melatonin, $8.99. Ends on the 22nd. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there on the freeway, the roads, and I will see all of you in the next one.